What's going on, everybody? Colin here from Euro Tuning. Today we are at our new facility filming a brand new video on an unreleased product for the Mk8 Golf R. Eventuri sent us the super rad carbon fiber intake that is unreleased. We're going to go ahead and get it installed today. We're going to bring you along for the ride, show you some beauty shots, what goes into installing the intake, stuff like that. It's going to be great. So let's go inside and check it out. Eventuri was founded by a team of engineers and enthusiasts with a background in aeronautics and tuning, all sharing a passion for cars and performance. Located in the UK, they decided to take matters into their own hands with intake systems and set a new bar for design, technology, and performance gains. Eventuri intakes are cutting edge and it shows. From the carbon fiber construction all the way down to the materials used for fasteners, quality is second to none. You know what I should have brought? Magnetic bowl for screws. The Mk8 engine bay was 3D scanned to get an accurate representation of the space available to ensure the intake system was designed to its maximum potential. Eventuri wanted to minimize the amount of 90-degree bends, restrictions, and turbulent areas presented by the stock airbox and utilize all of the available space. Yeah. All right. Cool. They opted to have a shorter silicone tube from the turbo inlet so they could extend the filter housing to provide a more aesthetically pleasing presentation. The silicone tube used on the Mk8 R will be different for the GTI version since that has a smaller turbo to connect to. The filter housing is using a recently developed filter initially intended for the G80 M3 and the Mercedes A45S. It is much larger than the previous Mk7 filtration system. This portion of the system will be the same for the GTI. There is a rubber seal that compresses the filter housing to the inlet duct and allows for engine movement while keeping an airtight seal without damaging any of the components. The inlet duct is open on both sides compared to the stock system and is decoupled from the stock inlets where the slam panel is located to allow even more airflow. This was done intentionally to allow for better breathing and still allows cool air coming in from the outside when the hood is closed. You may notice this resembles the RS3 system in many aspects.
That relocation.